Ito
Okay.
medyo masakit tong yung sa
Financial.
mga finances naman. Yung mga gastos ba? Like paano ka nag-shift into yung gastos mo in your 20s versus your 30s?
I guess when you hit your 30s, mas marirealize nyo na mukha kayong pera.
Yes,
okay
parang
lang
ngayon pa nga
yun.
lang.
Oh,
ngayon
alipin
pa
na lang sa
lang.
lapito.
Okay lang yun. Okay lang yun. And I think that is good because you can use that to fuel other projects, develop new passions. I guess ang magandang, I think more than the financial, let's like take a step back. It's really yung relationship mo with abundance. I think mas yun yung kailangan mong i-figure out. I'm sure kayo mga Gen Z, alam niyo yung mga like scarcity mindset, abundance mindset. I think know what is enough lang to get you by, and kunyari, if let's say you just need X thousands of pesos to be able to maintain rent and gym and be able to go out every week, and that's okay, 'di ba? Kung yun lang siya, I mean, yes, gusto natin mas marami tayong pera, pero kailangan siyang trabahuhin 'di ba? So know rin kung ano yung operating expense nyo para lang maging masaya kayo. Hindi nyo naman siguro kailangan ng 1,000,000 every month para sumaya, 'di ba? So
Parang,
Well, sobrang saya na nun.
parang the whole crew begs to disagree.
parang
but,
kailangan. Okay, charot. Oo.
pero I think that's definitely one. And something I learned now that in my 30s is you gotta spend some of that money as investment sa sarili mo. Meaning,
Yes.
I go back to like because you guys are performers, are artists, like never feel bad for spending a little extra on a workshop. Diba? Never feel bad spending extra for, anything that can further your craft or your career. I mean, baka saka na muna yung tumbler dahil 10 na yung tumbler mo, di ba? So,
Mga tinamaan.
at baka 25 na ang tote bags mo. But like, pwede mo sabihin, hindi investment man yung bag kasi pwede ko yung i-resell. Yes, but also, there are more cost-effective ways to invest in yourself.
Yes.
Yeah.
Actually, ako nga recently, I've been taking dance classes. Tapos, syempre medyo expensive din siya. Tapos napapaisip din ako na, like, kailangan ko pa ba talaga to? Pero, over time, ma-realize mo din na it's an investment in yourself and in your quality of life din. Kasi mas pinapakulay mo yung buhay mo.
Correct.
Nagdadagdag ka ng mga experience
Correct.
at ng skills.
Correct. And when you take a workshop, you take a dance class, hindi naman ang hahanapin mong return on investment doon is makapag-dance ka for a living, di ba? Sometimes things like that are a spiritual, meditative experience, and they
Yes.
ground you and they help you take on the day with a clearer thought process. So it can be something like
Creative
that.
outlet.
Exactly.
Parang getting a coach.
Kaya
Sa
nga
gym, ganon.
yes,
Oo.
oo. So,
It's a small thing, but like, it's improving your quality of life.
correct.
Then.
Yeah.